Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the email address associated with your Facebook account. So here I'm in Facebook. Now once you're here to come to your profile section by clicking on your profile picture at the top right. Now once you're here to click on settings right here. Now once you're in settings, go to the account center. Now once you're here, go to personal details. And in here, go to contact info. Now in here, click on add new contact, and after that, click on add email address. Now in here, add the new email address that you want to associate with your Facebook account. They would send you a verification code there, type it in, and that new address would be added. Now once you're done, go back. Now after the new contact has been added, click on the old Gmail address, and after that, click on delete email address. And the old email associated with your Facebook account would be deleted. And after that, your email address would be changed. So that is how you can change your email address associated with your Facebook account. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the email address associated with your Facebook account. So here I'm in Facebook. Now once you're here to click on your profile picture at the top right, and after that click on settings and privacy right here. And in here click on settings. Now in here go to the Meta account center. Now once you're here, click on personal details on the left, and in here click on contact info right here. Now in here click on add new contact, and after that click on add email address. After that type in the email address that you want to associate with your Facebook account, and after that they would send you a verification code. You just need to type that in, and a new email address would be added to your account. After you're done with that, just simply go back, and after that select the old Gmail associated with your Facebook account, and after that click on delete email address right here, and that email address would be removed, and the new email address that you just added would be associated with your Facebook account. So that is how you can change email address associated with your Facebook account.